Namaskar, myself SIDDHANT TEMKAR. 20 July 2023, a landslide occurred in Irshalwadi village of Raigad district in Maharashtra. It happened due to a torrential rainfall which resulted in human damage. So this video is about remembering the souls and the lives which has been lost in the devastating landslide that forever changed the lives of countless families and communities. Families torn apart, homes reduced to rubble, dreams shattered, lives lost, leaving behind the void that can never be fulfilled. So through this drawing video, I offer tribute to all those victims who lost their life in this terrific landslide.